When you're doing DIY projects, trusty tape measure is your best friend. But when you're working alone and you're in large spaces, it's not practical. But a laser measure can help you take measurements without having to fall over the couch. Dave gave this Bosch laser measure a test and he loved it. It's very accurate, taking measurements between 15 centimeters and 20 meters. With the laser pointer, you know exactly where you're measuring to. And it's so easy to use. Just one button. Turn it on, point, and press to hold the measurement. It'll even hold your last two measurements for easy calculation. Not only is it handy, but it's small, lightweight, with a backlit screen. And don't worry about turning it off, it turns off automatically. This is just one of the many laser measures available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.